Are jet bandsaws any good? Unfortunately, these bandsaws don't come cheap, and if you don't pick the suitable model on your first try, you can end up with a lot of money down the drain. That's why I've taken the time to conduct in-depth reviews on jet bandsaws, hoping to pinpoint the best ones on the market for folks like you. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best jet bandsaw from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet JWBS14SFX. The Jet JWBS14SFX, boasting a robust 14-inch steel frame, provides ample space to accommodate larger stocks with ease. Crafted with a focus on longevity and robustness, this bandsaw incorporates an adjustable blade guide system, simplifying the process of attaining precise measurements effortlessly. Post-job cleanup is a breeze thanks to the inclusion of 2 dust ports seamlessly connecting to your shop vac or dust collector. Furthermore, the presence of stamped steel doors, welded pin hinges, and a solid, heavy base ensures the machine's stability and levelness during operation, enhancing overall performance and safety. Number 2. Jet JWBS183. Featuring an impressive 16-inch resaw capacity, the Jet JWBS183 caters to both large and small workpieces with ease. Its cast iron table, renowned for its stability and durability, further enhances its reliability during operation. Notable for its adjustable features, this bandsaw is equipped with a rack and pinion fence system and 4-sided guideposts, streamlining workflow efficiency. Moreover, users benefit from the flexibility of tension adjustments, with options for full or partial tension and a full release mode. A standout feature of the JWBS183 is its transparent blade tracking window, ensuring uninterrupted visibility during cutting tasks, a thoughtful design choice appreciated by users for its practicality. Number 3. Jet JWBS15. Powered by a robust 1.75 HP motor, the Jet JWBS15 effortlessly tackles slicing through large wood pieces with precision and ease. Its cast iron table provides exceptional stability, ensuring consistent performance even during prolonged usage. Offering versatility in tension settings akin to its predecessors, the JWBS15 boasts 3 distinct settings: complete tension, partial tension, and full release, catering to diverse cutting requirements. Noteworthy is the clear blade tracking window, facilitating a clear view of the cut line for enhanced precision, a feature shared with its counterparts. Complementing its precision capabilities is the adjustable rack and pinion fence system, allowing users to tailor cutting parameters to suit specific project demands, further amplifying its utility and appeal to discerning craftsmen. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.